Okay.
Peggy!
Okay, yeah.
Peggy, look, this goes.
Okay.
This goes.
He's teaching you how to put it together.
Circle.
It's a circle.
Yeah.
Duh.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Pound it. Lock it.
Look.
Ah.
All right.
Again.
Oh my god, this is gonna be a really long video.
What?
Hey, Peggy.
What? Oh, I found it. What?
Kenneth here.
I'm playing with Kenneth.
Wow. It's
What's she want?
here.
Yee keeps calling me Kenneth.
video?
Peggy, stop calling you. Hey, what's this?
Hmm?
What's this?
What's that one?
It's a pants. Like a lady.
Oh,
yeah.
the pants.
Let's go. I'm trying to large piece.
I am really slow.
Hey, Kim, stop it.
Ham.
I know where this goes.
I found Diego.
You found Diego.
Look.
The store. Yay!
And wait for the water. Give me the water one.
I already.
Baby,
Okay.
give me the water one.
Where?
Under pressure, You gotta melt it. Yeah. You gotta the
In my face. Oh my god, you got it! Got it! Look what I found!
I can't breathe.
Where does this one go? Are you tired now?
Yeah.
Crazy. You're crazy.
Oh, that was funny.
It doesn't go there. What are we looking for? A heart? I found the heart! Oh my god, I found my baby jaguar.
What is that, Kenneth?
The baby jackler.
The what?
Baby jacker.
What is it?
Baby jackler. Yeah! Give me the water.
Hey, I found another piece. Baby jackler.
Baby jackler.
Baby jacker.
The baby jackler.
That is absolutely right.